Number 7. Yamaha MT-07. The 2025 Yamaha MT-07 has earned a strong reputation for dependability, even among seasoned motorcyclists. Many owners report that with proper maintenance, their MT-07 has exceeded 50,000 miles without major issues, and some enthusiasts have pushed it past 80,000 miles. This proves that the MT-07 is not only a visually appealing bike, but also a reliable choice for long-distance riders. Another standout feature of the MT-07 is its low maintenance costs. Thanks to high-quality materials and thoughtful engineering, riders can spend more time on the road and less time in the shop for routine maintenance. While the bike performs well overall, some riders have raised concerns about its build quality, specifically pointing out issues like an unstable pillion seat. Despite these occasional complaints, online reviews typically rate the MT-07 between 8 and 9 out of 10, praising its reliability and performance. With its blend of performance and longevity, the MT-07 is an excellent option for riders seeking both excitement and durability, making it a well-rounded choice for those who value both thrilling rides and long-term dependability. Number 6. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S stands out not only for its sleek, stylish design, but also for its impressive reliability. Powered by a 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin liquid-cooled engine, this motorcycle is engineered to endure, offering riders a dependable option for both long highway trips and city commutes. Many owners have reported that it can comfortably cruise beyond 50,000 kilometers without encountering any significant issues, proving its long-term durability. While the Vulcan S doesn't feature the latest advanced riding modes or ride-by-wire technology, it makes up for this with a smooth 6-speed transmission that delivers seamless power. One of its standout features is its ability to maintain a steady 90 miles per hour on the highway, all while remaining composed and free from strain, an impressive feat for a cruiser. Riders frequently commend the Vulcan S for its comfort and smooth ride. With an average user rating of around 4.2 out of 5, the bike is often compared positively to heavier cruisers, suggesting it appeals to those seeking both reliability and enjoyment in their ride. This high regard from motorcycle enthusiasts solidifies the Vulcan S as a top choice for those who want a dependable bike that doesn't sacrifice performance or comfort. Number 5. Suzuki Boulevard M109R. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R seamlessly blends power and flair, but how reliable is it over the long haul? According to riders, with proper maintenance, this motorcycle can comfortably reach 50,000 miles without encountering significant issues. Renowned for its dependable performance and stability, the M109R is also capable of delivering unexpected bursts of speed when needed, making it a versatile and impressive machine. While the M109R is typically reliable, a few riders have noted occasional handling quirks and minor throttle response issues. Despite these small drawbacks, online reviews consistently rate the M109R around 4 out of 5 stars, which is exceptional for a cruiser. Its strong performance, smooth ride, and overall comfort are frequently highlighted by riders who value its durability and power. With its aggressive stance and low-slung design, the M109R is guaranteed to turn heads at bike meets and on the open road. Its bold appearance and robust engine ensure that it stands out, but to maintain optimal performance, regular maintenance is key. Number 4. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 has built a strong reputation for dependability, reflecting its high-quality construction. Several owners have reported that their Rebels easily exceed 50,000 kilometers without experiencing significant issues, which is impressive for a cruiser in this category. The Rebel 500's consistent performance over time highlights Honda's expertise in producing bikes that are both stylish and reliable. With a user-friendly maintenance schedule, the Rebel 500 is an excellent choice for riders with limited mechanical knowledge. Online reviews frequently highlight its reliability, durability, and low cost of ownership. While the Rebel 500 may not be the fastest bike in its class, it compensates with its strong build and stylish design. For 2025, Honda has enhanced the ergonomics, making it more comfortable for longer rides, allowing riders to focus on enjoying the journey without concerns about the bike's reliability. Overall, the Rebel 500 is a dependable motorcycle designed for those seeking both long-lasting performance and enjoyable rides. Number 3. Honda Goldwing. With over 35 years of engineering excellence, the Honda Goldwing is renowned for its longevity and dependability. Many owners report that these bikes can easily endure between 250,000 and 300,000 miles, with some even reaching 400,000 miles without significant issues. The Goldwing is especially appreciated for its strong and smooth 1,833 cubic centimeter engine, which handles long trips with ease. While it may not be the ideal choice for navigating stop-and-go traffic, it excels on both city streets and highways, providing a comfortable and reliable ride. Online reviews consistently rate the Goldwing at 4.7 out of 5 for its reliability and performance. Riders often praise it for long-distance cruising, even though it may not perform as efficiently in heavy city traffic. For riders seeking a motorcycle that combines luxury with exceptional durability for long journeys, the Honda Goldwing is an excellent choice. Number 2. BMW R9T. With proper maintenance, the BMW R9T is known to last well over 80,000 kilometers. Many owners praise its longevity, sharing stories of long, trouble-free rides. The engine, which has been refined since the mid-1990s, is well-tested and dependable, providing a solid foundation for those seeking reliability on the road. As with most motorcycles, the R9T follows standard maintenance intervals, with oil changes required every 6,000 miles and valve inspections every 12,000 miles. While service costs typically range from $250 to $400, many owners find these expenses worthwhile for the peace of mind and reassurance they provide. The R9T seamlessly blends modern engineering with classic aesthetics. While it may not be the lightest or fastest motorcycle available, it offers a smooth and comfortable ride, especially on long-distance journeys. Regular maintenance, particularly oil changes, is essential to keep it running smoothly and maintain its performance over time. Number 1. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 is highly regarded for its exceptional reliability, easily reaching over 100,000 miles with minimal issues. Several owners have reported traveling up to 150,000 miles without encountering significant problems, highlighting Suzuki's engineering excellence. Designed to offer an enjoyable riding experience, the SV650 is ideal for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. This reputation for dependability is echoed in online reviews, where riders frequently commend the bike's affordable parts and ease of maintenance. The engine is praised for its durability and solid performance, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced riders alike. Routine maintenance is straightforward, typically requiring only oil changes and tire checks, both of which are easy to perform. The SV650 excels in a variety of riding conditions, from navigating city traffic to long highway cruises. In summary, the Suzuki SV650 is a strong option for riders looking for a versatile, reliable bike that can handle daily use and long-distance rides with minimal mechanical issues. Be sure to subscribe for more content, share your thoughts in the comments, and as always, ride safe, keep the engine roaring, and check out our other videos for more two-wheel inspiration.